Hello everybody, Ricardo Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today I wanted to cover two negative things that happen when we don't pay our credit cards down to zero. Number one, I think we all know this one. When we don't pay our credit cards to zero, we pay interest. Whatever amount you do not pay to zero, it revolves to the following month and you pay interest on that. So if you're capable of paying your credit cards to zero, do so. You'll save money. Number two, when we don't pay our credit cards to zero, you're going to hurt your scores. 30% of our credit score comes from amounts owed. In other words, the debt that we have on our credit report. The less debt you have on your credit report, the higher your scores become. So if you have the ability to pay your credit cards to zero, okay, your scores will be higher than what they would be if you carry a balance. So if you have any questions about these two things, give me a call or direct message me. I hope this helps everybody out. Thank you.